Good morning, children. Let's continue with the exercise questions on surface area of cuboid and cube. Let's review the formula once again. For a lateral surface area of a cuboid, area of 4 walls of a room is perimeter into height. Total surface area is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Then lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. Total surface area is 6a square. Again, let's review on the conversion table. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Moving from smaller units to bigger units, divide by 10, 100, 1000 and so on as per the number of places you are shifting to. Whereas moving from a higher units to a smaller unit, multiply by 10, 100, 1000 etc. as per the number of steps you are taking in the table. Let's proceed with question number 4. The question says that the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. That means the total area to be painted the total area to be painted is given as 9.375 meters square. Now this total area is on the bricks. Now the dimension of each brick is given as 22.5 by 10 by 7.5. We will read normally length, breadth and height by 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5, which means that the first dimension is the length, that is 22.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 7.5 centimeter. And the area is given in meter square, so the first step itself convert into meter, that will be better. So length, now what is about the brick we are writing? The length is given as 22.5 centimeter, which is the same as, you can see here centimeter moving to meter is 2 steps to the right, which is the same as shift 2 decimal place 0.225 meter. Next one is 10 centimeter. The breadth is 10 centimeter. Again 10 by 100. 1 0 can be cancelled, or 0.1 meter. The next is height. Height is given as 7.5 centimeter, which is 7.5 by 100. Shift 2 decimal place, which shows that 0.075 meter. Now you know the length, breadth and height of the brick. What is the surface area of one brick, or what is the area of one brick? Surface area TSA. That means the brick is painted in all the faces. Total surface area of one brick is equal to, what is the formula? 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, which is equal to 2 times L into B. 0.225 into breadth is 0.1 plus BH 0.1 into 0.075 plus LH 0.225 into 0.075, which is equal to 2 into, what is 225 into 1? 225. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. What is 1 into 75? 75. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal. Plus, what is 225 into 75? Let's work out. 25, 12, 5 to 10, 11, 35, 3, 14 plus 3, 17, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6, 16,875. Remove the decimal place as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal. Let's add, then multiply by 2. 0.0225, 0.0075, 0.016875, 0000. So what is the total? 5, 7, 18, 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 16, 2, 3, 4. Now 46, 8, 75 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 15, 17, 13, 4 2s are 8, which is the same as 2 into 0.046875, which is equal to, let's write the number first, 93,750. Now, how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal, that many meters square. So, this is the surface area of one brick. You can compare, see how they have given the measurement to you so that the calculation will be easy. How do you write the last statement? Now, area of one brick multiplied by number of bricks equal to total area. That means this is the area of one brick, and how many bricks are there, that will give you the total area. 0.09375 into number of bricks, let us take it as n, is equal to the total area is 9.375. Therefore, number of bricks is equal to 9.375 divided by 0.09375. How to remove decimal is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3 with the 3 decimal place, with the 3 of the zeros, it becomes 9,375. That is 9,375 into 100 by denominator is 9,375. It gets cancelled, or the answer is 100 bricks. That means the concept is area of one brick multiplied by the number of bricks is giving you the total area. In such questions, the numbers will be adjusted in such a way that the calculations will be simple. Question number 5. A cubical box has edge of 10 cm and another cuboidal box is 12.5 cm long, 10 cm wide and 8 cm high. Which box has greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has smaller total surface area and by how much? So both the surface area has to be found out and then you have to compare. So let's do like a tabular form only for here. That means the solids are given as, cube is given to you, cuboid is given to you. The dimensions of a cube is A is equal to 10 centimeter. Let's calculate the lateral surface area and the total surface area. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square, which is equal to 4 into 10 square, 4 into 100, which is equal to 400 centimeter square. Total surface area is 6a square, which is equal to 6 into 10 square, 6 into 100, or it is 600 centimeter square. Now, the same way, the solid is cuboid. What are the dimensions given here? The length is 12.5 centimeter. Breadth is given as 10 centimeter. Height is given as 8 centimeter. What is the formula for the lateral surface area? It is 2 into L plus B into height, or 2LH plus 2BH. 2 into length plus breadth, 12.5 plus 10 into H. 2 into 22.5 into H. 22.5 into 2 is 45. H is given as 8. 45 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 360 centimeter square. Whereas the total surface area 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, which is the same as 2 into L into B. 12.5 into 10 plus B into H. 10 into 8 plus LH. 12.5 into 8, which is the same as 2 into 125 into 12.5 into 10 is multiplied by one place, that means 125 plus 10 into 8 is 80 plus 125 into 8, 20,000. One decimal place, that means 100. 2 into 125 plus 80 is 205 plus 100 is 305, or you add in this side 305, 5 2s are 10, 610 centimeter square. Now compare which has greater area, and the first question is which has greater lateral surface area. Which has a greater lateral surface area? LSA of a cube is 400, LSA is 360. So which is the greater? So LSA of cube is greater by 400 minus 360, which is equal to 40 centimeter square, and which has a smaller total surface area. Smaller total surface area again. Total surface area of cube. TSA of cube is smaller than cuboid by 610 minus 600, which is equal to 10 centimeter square. Question number 6. A small indoor glass house is made entirely of glass panes, including the base. That means just like a tissue box you imagine, that means a full total surface area is needed. Held together with a tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. That means a small glass house, indoor glass house is made entirely of glass panes, including the base. That is why we have to consider the total surface area. What is the area of the glass? For the first concept, you need to apply only the total surface area. Take the length, breadth and height. The length is 30 centimeter. Therefore, area of glass required is equal to TSA of the box, TSA of the glass, TSA of the glass house, which is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, which is the same as 2 into the length is 30 by 25 by 25. 30 by 25 by 25. That means the length is given as 30 into 25 plus breadth is 25. Then 25 into 25 plus 30 into 25, which is the same as 2 into 25 into 3 is 75, 750 plus 25 into 25 is 625 plus again 750, which is 2 into 750 plus 750 is 1500 plus 625, 2125. Kindly go with these easy calculations in your mind also, so that the speed you will increase for the exam. 5 2s are by 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 2, 4. 4250 centimeter square glass is required for the glass house. Now they are fixing it with the tape. What is the length of tape? What is the length of tape required? If you remember the tissue box, it has 12 edges. How are the 12 edges made up of? The length, 2 length part on top as well as 2 length part below. So in a cuboidal box there will be 4 times length. The 12 edges are made up of 4 times length, 4 times breadth and 4 times height. Confirm it by taking a geometry box or a tissue box and see. The length of tape required will be 4 times length plus 4 times breadth plus 4 times height, or 4 into, like perimeter you are adding the length of the tape. So 4 times L plus B plus H. The 12 edges are made up of 4 times length, 4 times breadth and 4 times height. 4 into length is 30 plus 25 plus 25. 50 plus 30 is 80. 4 into 80 is 320 centimeter. There is no centimeter square because it is length of the tape. So it is only 320 centimeter tape is required to take all the edges of the glass house. Question number 7. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of box are required. The bigger of dimensions 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Let us take the first box. The measurement is 25 by 20 by 5. 25 by 20 by 5 centimeter. Box of dimension 15 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Now, for all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 plus per 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So let's go in step by step. Now, what will be the surface area of the first cardboard box will be TSA of the cuboid box is equal to, the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. One cuboid box we can write, which is equal to 2 into 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 25 into 5, that is 2 into 25 into 2 is 50, so it is 500 plus 20 into 5 is 100, 5 5s are 25, 125, 2 into 500 plus 100 is 600, 600 plus 125 is 725, or 5 2s are 10, 5, 1450 centimeter square is the surface area of one cuboid box. Like that, they have to place order for 250 boxes of each kind. Therefore, surface area of 250 boxes is equal to 250 into 1450 centimeter square, multiply 145 into 25, 25, 22, 7, 10, 9, 2, 5, 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 16, 3625, 1, 2 centimeter square. Now, what will be the surface area of TSA of one cuboid box is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus LH, 2 times 15 into 12 plus BH is 12 into 5 plus LH is 15 into 5, 2 times 15 into 12, 180, 15 into 12, 5 2s are 10, 3, 180 plus 12 5s are 60 plus 15 5s are 75, 2 into 180 plus 60 is 240, 240 plus 75 is 315, or 5 2s are 10, 1, 3, 630 centimeter square. Surface area of 250 boxes is equal to 250 into 630 centimeter square, that is 63 into 25. 1575 centimeter square. Now for both the boxes together, what is the area of cardboard? Therefore, total area of cardboard required is equal to 3,62,500 plus 1,57,500. That means 5,20,000 centimeter square of area, centimeter square of cardboard is required for making 250 boxes. Now, in the question it is said that 5% of this total surface area is required for the overlaps. So, what is the area of cardboard required for overlap? Is 5 by 100 of 5,20,000. That means 552 into 5, 2260, 52 centimeter square. That means 26,000 centimeter square is needed for the overlap. So what is the total now? Therefore, total area is equal to 5,20,000 centimeter square plus 26,000 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard is required for the box. Now, what is the cost of it? If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 meter square, what is the meaning of that is cost of 1000 meter square is equal to cost of 1000 meter square is equal to rupees 4. Therefore, like unitary method, what will be the cost of 1 meter square? It is 4 by 1000. Therefore, what will be the cost of 5,46,000 centimeter square? Therefore, cost of 5,46,000 meter square is equal to 4 by 1000 into 5,46,000. This gets cancelled, which is the same as 546 into 4, 6 4s are 24, 2, 18 rupees 2,184. That means a cost of rupees 2,184 is required for the cardboard, only the sheet of the cardboard required. Question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is a material which can avoid the things to get wet. That covers all 4 sides and the top of a car with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 and the dimensions as 4 meter by 3 meter? It is only you can just directly apply the formula as like the open box you made. Take the dimensions as the length as 4 meter by 3 meter. Length as 4 meter, breadth as 3 meter and height as 2.5 meter. Since the base is not to be covered, you can take the formula as LB. Therefore, area of tarpaulin required is equal to LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. Apply in this formula and get the answers on your own.